To be great, product has to work because the customers is going to be a one-off. Like if it's not good, it's almost like the drop shipping model. If it's not good, people aren't going to continue to buy it. So that lifetime value is not going to be there. The product has to be good. And then innovating in outside of your industry, adding adding more into the packaging. Again, small, affordable steps. But I would say the product, then innovate the product, make it better, improve on it, and then add packaging. And you can add little things. I mean, there's an educational manual, there's a thank you card, little things at the beginning. So it's like, what can I do with a thank you card? It's again, it feels good. It's matted. This is an educational pamphlet. Let me just make it pretty cute. This is again, like, how can I tell my customers how to use it? And these are simple things, but then when you want to innovate on the packaging, then you go like, okay, let's invest a little more. Let's I feel like a magician just coming out with all this stuff. But I'm just such a visual person. And then, so we didn't come out with these for a while, but I wanted, again, a snow. I wanted the experience to be like Christmas every single day of the year. And I managed to do that, but I didn't start off with this. It was just really basic. But then we got the margins, we got a little more money to invest. And then we came out with like really shiny, beautiful packaging. So now you get that experience from the very beginning before you even see the product.
And it really, truly is beautiful packaging. Congrats.
Thank you.
Okay, so from Rad, where are these beauty products made, if you don't mind?
Outsourced, and they are here in the U.S. We just came out with the toothpaste. Everything's done in the U.S. No sulfate. Everything, yeah. The toothpaste here and everything else is packaging 100% outsourced.
Does the toothpaste have that peppermint flavor as well?
Yes, it does. And I have it in my sink. I'm trying it out and I think it's sold out. But yeah, I'm really proud of the toothpaste too. And that was a hard one because when you come out with a product that's disrupting the industry and you have to educate the customer on why your product is better. So a little quick for the toothpaste, we're taking out the really bad ingredients that the customer is so used to using. So our toothpaste doesn't have the foamy when you use it, but people are used to that. But people don't know that foam comes from a bad ingredient. So the education process is a long time, and that's you take with the best product, but also educating the consumer to be a disruptor in your industry.
So that's an interesting question. So or interesting comment that you made. So you have to re-educate. How hard is it to open up basically a new niche, with this type of toothpaste? Like, how hard is it to re-educate people?
It is extremely hard, but I think the new norm and the new trend that it's coming up coming into it, it's the same as being sustainable. It's the same as eco-friendly. Like, it's gonna be more expensive, but the right people and the right customers are going to follow you and respect you and what you stand for. We're going to take a really strong stand and say we stand for only good ingredients, good for you ingredients. And when you take that stand, people should understand, oh, ingredients is going to cost me a little more money because in the back end, they're taking that extra time to make whatever I consume. It's good for me. It's